can check it. You can check it for sure.
It's an amazing thing to be a principal for staff like Steve or Mr. Kinloch, where he brings a wealth of knowledge that goes back literally decades.
All right, 1/3. So I'm gonna go with 1/3. Put that in your bowl. I'll save that for later.
I find that I'm very professional, very strict, but very caring.
Not today. Not today. On your own, at your home, you can do that, okay? Thank you for asking.
The kids know that I will hold them to an extremely high standard, but I'll also treat them with kind and respectfulness.
Thanks for holding on to that plan and not hurting it. I appreciate you listening. Good job.
Oh my gosh, the vibe that Mr. Kinloch brings to class is incredible. He is always full of energy, but that energy is always matched with really high expectations. He is very serious about bringing sixth graders up, getting the best out of them.
It's a lot of accolades, so it's hard for me to talk about myself, but I really did it to bring recognition to the county, to our district, to Ridgeview, to our team, and then ultimately, to myself. But just getting that recognition for your hard work, it's kind of priceless.
Go